Welcome to Suvarna Cyber Warrior, your trusted channel for cyber awareness and digital safety. Today, we delve into the foundation of financial trust in India, the SEBI Cybersecurity and Cyber Resilience Framework. In today's digital financial world, one cyber attack can disrupt millions of investors and threaten market stability. Imagine a massive cyber attack striking a futuristic Indian stock exchange. Trading screens flash red, signaling immediate danger to market stability. To combat these threats, a glowing SEBI-inspired cyber shield forms over India's financial ecosystem, the SEBI Cybersecurity and Cyber Resilience Framework. But why was this framework introduced, and why now? India's capital markets are rapidly becoming digital, utilizing online trading, cloud infrastructure, and complex fintech ecosystems. As the market digitizes, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and financially dangerous, targeting everything from investor data to market stability. So what exactly is the SEBI Cybersecurity and Cyber Resilience Framework, or CSCRF? The CSCRF establishes mandatory cybersecurity controls for regulated financial entities, ensuring a standardized level of protection. This framework centers around several key areas: ensuring strong governance, managing cyber risk, and building robust cyber resilience. Let's explore the core pillars that uphold this crucial framework. SEBI mandates that cybersecurity is a leadership accountability, requiring continuous governance and oversight of cyber risk at the highest levels. Organizations must identify critical assets, classify sensitive information, assess cyber risks, and continuously monitor vulnerabilities to protect them. Next, we look at the controls that provide immediate defense and ensure rapid recovery. Strong access controls, including multi-factor authentication and zero-trust principles, are essential to reduce insider threats and block unauthorized access. Continuous monitoring using SIEM and AI-based anomaly detection helps organizations detect and contain attacks before major disruption occurs. SEBI emphasizes rapid incident response, cyber resilience, robust backup management, and comprehensive business continuity planning. Cyber resilience extends beyond internal controls. It involves the entire ecosystem. Third-party vendors and cloud providers can be entry points for attackers. Continuous monitoring and vendor assessments are absolutely critical. Regular cybersecurity audits, along with vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, strengthen cyber maturity across financial institutions. The future of secure financial markets depends on adopting AI-powered cyber defenses, maintaining vigilance, and fostering national cyber resilience collaboration. Cybersecurity is the foundation of trust in the digital economy. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Suvarna Cyber Warrior. Together, let's build a cyber-safe India.